Today we're going to take a look at the Cambium Network's XV2-2T0 Outdoor Wi-Fi 6 Access Point. My name is Darren Hermans and I'm a product manager at the Enterprise Wi-Fi Group at Cambium Networks. Now the first thing you'll notice about this AP, three things you're going to notice about, but the first thing I want you to always take a notice of when you're testing it is the antenna. The antenna was designed purposely to pair nicely and purposefully I should say, with the high efficiency Wi-Fi 6 protocol. So combining the Wi-Fi 6 technology with this antenna design, we're able to get maximum range, throughput, and greater rate at range, almost 2x the rate at range as near competitive products, really because of pairing this antenna with Wi-Fi 6. Now that antenna performance is not just going to give you rate at range and greater distance and greater signal strength and signal integrity. It also helps you reach those weak spots. You always have a spot that people have a difficult time reaching with their smartphones, and this will be able to reach out and cover those nulls and those dead spots quite nicely. Now when we take the AP out of the box, we're going to notice the second thing about it is that it comes with everything you need. You have wire grommets, you have mounting accessories here. You can mount this AP to a pole or a wall mount, and I'll show you all of that in just a second. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, and here's the AP itself. We'll notice that we have the main electronics here in the bottom section, and then the antenna, optimized antenna elements are included in this top section of the AP. Now, looking into more detail, we have 4 mounting holes and a ground lug right here, and all of those accessories are included in the box. So the first thing I do, and your sequence might be a little bit different than mine, but generally I like to connect the Ethernet cable first. And so the way we do that is we take apart one of these cable assembly grommets, and it comes apart in 3 pieces. So there's the housing, a rubber cable grommet, and an in nut. So let's go ahead and connect all those up first. We're going to thread these 3 pieces through our Ethernet cable, starting with the in nut, then the cable grommet, and finally the housing this way. So it looks like that. Then we're going to connect the RJ45 cable to the RJ45 receptacle here inside the AP until it clicks, and we're just going to just easily thread the plastic housing, grommet housing, right into the body of the AP. No need to over tighten it, just tighten it until the O-ring compresses, and that will prevent water intrusion. Finally, we're going to push in the rubber cable grommet, and again tighten the in nut, just tight enough to compress the rubber grommet, and you're done. Now, let's talk about how we install the AP and use the bracket. Here's our bracket. We notice the bracket has serrated edges, that's for pole mounting, and if you're going to mount this to a pole, first mount the bracket to the pole using the 2 included pipe clamps, pole clamps, and then connect the AP to the keyhole slots here on the mounting bracket. Now if you're going to mount it flush to a wall surface, use the 2 included wall anchor screws, and connect it to the wall using these 2 keyhole slots, and then attach the bracket firmly to the wall. Pay attention to the up arrow direction. There's your keyhole slot. Will mount just like that to the wall. And again, wall first, then mount the AP to the bracket. Now when mounting the AP to the bracket, we're going to use the 4 included hex head bolts. Now these bolts connect to these 4 points, and you just slide, you're going to slide the AP onto that bracket and then tighten down those hex head bolts. You can use an open-end wrench when you're done to give them a little bit of a snug, a little extra tightness to make sure that the AP stays firmly to the bracket. Well, that's it. That's the XV2-2T0 Outdoor Wi-Fi 6 Access Point. 3 things you want to note about it. High efficiency antenna, optimized for the Wi-Fi 6 protocol, gives you greater rate at range and better coverage for weak client devices. It's a better outdoor Wi-Fi network. Secondly, you'll notice everything you need in the box. No need to order any extra accessories. And third, the flexible Ethernet ports, 2.5 gigabit, 30 watts power out on Gig E2. Thank you very much for watching.